At the term Cash App sponsor and wondering how to check who yours is, let's break it down and explain what's real and what's not. So in Cash App, the word sponsor is not officially used for any feature in the app. If you signed up through a referral, that person is sometimes called your sponsor in casual terms, but the app itself doesn't use that label. If someone sent you a referral code, they may have earned a reward, but you won't find their name listed under sponsor anywhere in your profile. So to check if you were referred by someone, open Cash App and go to your profile, tap Settings, then Promotions. If you signed up using a referral code, it may show under Invited By or as a promo credit received. If nothing showed and shows, the referral link may not have worked, or you created the account directly. So while there's no official sponsor section, you can still check promo info if you used a referral. That's it, guys. Like and subscribe for more Cash App how-to tips, and see you soon.